We are very, very happy, the whole Pyramid Spiritual Society movement, to celebrate International Yoga Day in this fashion. Last year, we were in Leh, Ladakh with the great Bhikkhu Sangusena ji to celebrate our International Yoga Day. But today, this year, 2020, we have to celebrate it in the digital way. We have to stay at home and do our meditation together with all the members of the whole world. And it's another experience for us. And I am really happy to be at my home and speak to all of the persons on this grand occasion of International Yoga Day celebrations. First of all, we should thank our great Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, for initiating the process of International Yoga Day about 5 years back. So since then, we have been really celebrating this Yoga Day, International Yoga Day, every year. And this year, it's a new way of celebrating the digital way. We are all at home, but we are all one with each other. My dear friends, what is yoga? Yoga means union. Two things must unite, then that is yoga. Yoga, there is karma yoga. When you are one with the action, then you are a karma yogi. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is a great karma yogi. He is leading the whole country. He is helping the whole country in administrating it, in guiding it, in safeguarding it. He is working tirelessly. He is always in action. Everywhere we can find him doing this thing or that thing. That is great karma yoga. Karma yoga also implies that you do the work, but don't expect the results thereof. Karma phala tyaga. In Bhagavad Gita it is said, Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phala hetur bhurmate sangosva karmani. Pyramid Spiritual Society movement is also dedicated to karma yoga. We all work 24 hours a day in spreading meditation. That is our way of karma yoga. We go to the neighborhood and teach them meditation. We go to the cities, we go to every home, all pyramid masters, and they teach meditation. This is our style of karma yoga, and we don't expect any results from there. Karma phala tyaga. Hatha yoga means to be one with the body. In the great any number of asanas, pranayama methods, that is hatha yoga. Many people practice hatha yoga. They can control their heartbeat and live in the water, live in the soil for many days. They are all great hatha yogis. India is full of great hatha yogis. Then there is Nada yoga, who are one with the music. We have got our great masters, Bhimsen Joshi, Pandit Ravi Shankar, Bismillah Khan, very, very great Nada yogis, Tyagaraj, Tansen. They are all one with the music. That is Nada yogi. Then there is Bhakti yoga. You are one with the personalities, Radha with the Krishna. And then Ramakrishna Paramahansa with Mahakali. That is Bhakti yoga. Tyagaraja with Rama. There are examples of great Bhakti yogis. They are one with the great personalities, spiritual personalities. Bhakti yoga. Then there is Jnana yoga. You are one with the books. I am one such. I have become one with hundreds and thousands of books, collecting the wisdom, becoming one with the jnana of all the masters. I consider myself a jnana yogi. And I consider myself a karma yogi. And I consider myself a nada yogi. I am one with the music. And I consider myself a Raja yogi. Raja yogi means meditation, becoming one with our own selves. When you are closing your eyes and becoming one with the breath, Normal, natural, easy, soft breath. You are one with your own self. When you are one with your own self, it is called as Raja Yoga. That is what is meditation. Anapanasati meditation. We teach in Pyramid Spiritual Society movement. Anapanasati means, Ana means in breath, Apana means out breath, Sati means to be one. We have to become one with our own breath. Breath yoga. Breath yoga leads to Raja Yoga. Anapanasati yoga is breath yoga, becoming one with the breath. That will lead you to Raja Yoga, Dhyana Yoga. So, my dear friends, this is what was discovered by Gautam Buddha in those holy times. Now we are following it up by spreading Anapanasati yoga everywhere, breath yoga everywhere, so that everybody becomes a Raja Yogi. Pyramid Spiritual Social Movement is doing great work in spreading breath yoga, Anapanasati yoga, Dhyana yoga everywhere, right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. We invite everybody to become a yogi, a Dhyana yogi, a Raja yogi, an Anapanasati yogi. So there are Karma yoga, there is Hatha yoga, there is Bhakti yoga, there is Nada yoga, there is Jnana yoga, and there is Dhyana yoga, Raja yoga. The great master Patanjali, who has given us the guidelines for Raja yoga, his definition is Yogaha Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Yoga is making the waves of the mind or thoughts of the mind empty. So this day, today, 21st of June, International Yoga Day, we are going to sit at home and do meditation for a large part of the day, 24 hours, and we are going to listen to the music of various great masters and become one with the music. And various speakers who will give us knowledge will become one with the knowledge, that is Jnana Yoga. When you are becoming one with the music, you are becoming a Nada Yogi. And along with these things, along with the music, when you do meditation, you become a Raja Yogi. Music is very good for meditation. The primary purpose of classical Indian music is for meditation. The classical music, Indian music, is meant for meditation. So we are all going to do a lot of meditation these 24 hours until tomorrow, 7 a.m. We have to be continuously sitting at home and listening to all the masters and listening to all the music and doing wonderful meditation. Today and the next 24 hours are our great time to spend time with ourselves totally. In meditation, in Dhyana Yoga, in Jnana Yoga, in Nada Yoga. So, in the Bhagavad Gita, the message of Lord Krishna is, hey Arjun, you become a yogi. Tapasvibhyodiko yogi, jnanibhyopi matvodikaha, karmyavyaschadiko yogi, tasmad yogi bhavarjana. You become a yogi, hey Arjun. And who is Lord Krishna? He is Yogeshwara. The Yogeshwara is requesting a non-yogi, Arjuna, to become a yogi. And this is what is the message of PSSM. Hey non-yogi, you become a yogi. When you are not yet into yoga, you are a non-yogi. When you are entering into yogi, you become a yogi. We don't become a yogi overnight. It takes a lot of time, lot of practice, lot of patience, lot of determination, lot of commitment to our own spiritual growth. With those sincerities, seriousnesses, commitments, dedication, devotion, of course, everybody will become a yogi. And when you have become a yogi, when you realize your own spiritual self, when you are doing action, one with the action, and not aspiring to the results thereof, when you have accumulated all the knowledge, wisdom of all the great masters, your life is successful. Your life is not successful when you make a lot of money, a lot of name and fame. No. We don't care for money. We don't care for name and fame. We care for wisdom, self-knowledge, self-realization, enlightenment. That's where a yogi is. Thank you, Shastri Garu. you have done great work in formulating the whole 24-day program, 24-hour program on this day, June 21st, 2020.
Thank you.
Let us all be yogis. Utilize today in the most beautiful way. काल करे सो आज करे सो अब पल में प्रलय होगा, बहुरी करोगे कब? Whatever you want to do tomorrow, you must do it today. And whatever you want to do today, you must do it now. Because death can come at any time and destroy our body. And we lose our chance. While the body is still there, healthy and happy, you have to become a yogi. Do a lot of practice of meditation, my dear friends. Today is that day, a very special day. Thanks to our great Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, we are all here celebrating this International Yoga Day in our own fashion, digitally. Be a yogi, any type of yogi, karma yogi, bhakti yogi, hatha yogi, nada yogi, jnana yogi, raja yogi. But you must become a yogi. You cannot remain as a non-yogi. When you become a yogi, you are free of all roga. Yoga comes and roga goes away. When roga goes away, bhoga stays. Without yoga, roga will never go away. Without the sun coming, darkness will never go away. Sun is the yoga. Yoga is the sun, which removes the darkness in our lives. Mental darkness, spiritual darkness. So when yoga comes in, we see spiritual light, mental light, intellectual light. Let us utilize today, and from now onwards, 24 hours until tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, let us do meditation. Let us not sleep. No sleep for us. No way.